Whew. Wow, Forex came back at you with another one, guys. Welcome back to my channel, another video. Uh, you guys saw my last video. I think my last video I did late last night. Man, oh man, oh man. Listen, today has been a whirlwind for real. Because let's get right into it. Very quickly, if you're new to my videos, you'll see that I don't have any fancy thumbnails, no clickbait titles, none of that. Just simply because my mindset right now is uh, no clickbait, no thumbnails, no fancy, nothing crazy, just straight content, valuable information that you can use for your trading journey on a daily basis. And this is really not necessarily to motivate nobody. This is really for me anyway. So I don't care. I don't care. I'm doing this for me. This is for about me and my journey and what we got going on. So anyway, if you're still with me, man, okay. Normally, man, I don't trade this kind of noise. Normally, I look for better setups, but when you're in the trade, you kind of at the mercy of the markets. Now, based on what has been going on, I anticipated the market to drop, and I still kind of expect the market to kind of drop a little bit. But if you're looking at the overall sentiment of the daily and what's been going on, the overall big picture trend, the market really might just go up. To be honest with you, today was just more of like sellers coming in because you had two powerful days yesterday. So I think that's what's starting to happen. And then plus it's coming back to my double green that I've spoken about on many occasions in previous videos. So I'm trying to take all of that into consideration as to why the market will not get past this level. They have been flirting with this level all morning long. I mean, I got into the market, I don't know what time I did. It was after the 9:30 candle because you guys know I don't trade crazy hour. And this level has just been a royal pain. Matter of fact, let's see. Now, in hindsight, I should not have done that. But because market structure has been the way it is all morning, I'm watching it. I'm really trying to catch this momentum and catch this trend, to be honest with you. Right before I recorded the video, I was in this trade for pretty. Matter of fact, I can tell you right now. Before I say anything that's false, like, see, look, two trades, 41 minutes and 56 minutes. So I was in trades for a long time today. It's just been, the market has just like this level here has just been a pain. But I withstood it because of what was going on throughout the day. Like I was able to just kind of breathe, be a little bit patient, and recognize, okay, market structure. So I see the market structure. I see the lower highs. I'm kind of expecting a lower low. I'm expecting it to push. Um, I don't know how far, how long it's gonna push. Honestly, if I don't get a solid push, I might just end it for the day. I really should have ended it today already, but I'm watching it and I'm seeing like I think a decent move is gonna happen. But if not, then it doesn't happen. I'll take whatever money I can get. I have no problem, as you can see, taking my $2 or $3. I'd rather take green than red any day. But man, I've been watching this all morning. This level here has been a pain. Like they're not pushing past this level. And knowing that and saying that out loud, you would ask, well, why would you trade? I said, well, because I'm looking at market structure. I understand my personal strategy. I think it's going to go down. I don't have a reason to think it's going to go up yet. Um, let's see. Let's see. You know, I'll just record now, so I won't have to record much later, and we'll see. Now, okay, we got to push through. Is it going to carry over? Is it going to continue? That's what I need. And I've been on an emotional roller coaster all morning. I've been emotionally like yes, no, celebrated, not celebrating, celebrated, not celebrating. Finally, finally got the push I was looking for. My goodness. Let me tell you something. You guys can see. Could you just look? This was an hour. Forget about the money, but like that shows you. Oh, see, like that's that nonsense. Let me go back to this. Okay, so I have different charts and different levels posted. I'm not gonna play with them. Like, let's see what happens. I know my levels are pretty decent. How you analyze the charts and prepare yourself for a trade, that's on you. I'm not saying my way is perfect. There's a lot of gaps, a lot of loopholes, a lot of ways to improve. But I won't lie to you. I've been waiting for a solid push all morning, and I just need for it to maintain and stay true. I don't need any more fake outs. No more fake outs. Enough fake outs. But I'll admit, man, I really feel like I developed today as a trader just because I was able to withstand a lot of the noise and just be disciplined and patient. Like it was just about, man, let me take a step back, try to understand what's the market doing, what's the market saying to me, and then once I understood and it became clearer, move by move, candle by candle, I was like, okay, I'll wait one more candle, and that's in essence how I ended up staying so long. It wasn't even okay. I can do it. I'm patient. It's like, okay, this candle did this. What's the next candle going to do? And then, okay, this candle did this. What's the next candle going to do? So just literally just trying to read and just take each candle as a sign of what the market is going to do every step of the way. And that's literally what I was doing. I know this is a good level. I need some solid continuation. My videos, for those who have watched a few of my videos that I have, my videos tend to last or tend to have a duration based on what candles do and I move. Um, I'm not gonna play, bro. I'll take that. I don't like this candle. I'll take the two. Like, see, I think I'm just gonna end it for the day. I'm gonna end it for the day. I have nothing to prove, especially going back and look. This thing just refuses to go down. And you know what's gonna be funny? It might go down after I get out. And I'm saying, you know what? Let today be the day that it's gonna be. Um, this is where you start having cases of FOMO, like, oh man, I'm gonna miss out. Man, listen. I see the candle. I see my level. It pulled back against my level. It's 11:30. Momentum started to slow down. I see the day. I see this level here. Man, I'm just gonna take it for what it is. Appreciate the development I had today, and I'm really proud of how I handled today because under normal circumstances, when I see stuff like this, I avoid it like the plague. But see, excellent. I wish I'd taken more of this here, but fine. But you can see like it's going down and then it pushes back up, and then goes down, then goes down, and then pushes back up. But then each time it pushed up, it created lower highs. So that's where I was like, okay, let me see what the next candle does. Like I got in here, I wait, this, let me see what the next candle says. All right, then this doji happens. I don't trust that. Then this happens. Oh man, but I recognize this level. This level is actually the gap here. So let me just do this. See this gap here? That's why I knew, okay, there's potential that it may or may not. Like it tapped, but if it doesn't close or push past it, I'll hold off because I know the US 30 respects gaps. It will always either revisit, test it, but it always respects gaps. And this gap is actually the open for the entire day. So if you're wondering why I held off here is because I knew here is the gap, and that was the gap from yesterday morning, or last night when the market reopened. So because I knew that, I said, all right, let me hold off and see what happens. That's why I stayed there. And then when it dropped, I said, okay, it makes sense because of the gap. And that's literally been my mindset each candle on the way down. And that's how I ended up basically 2 hours and two trades. So yeah, the money's not where we wanted it, but again, the mindset, the process is how I analyze the market and why I made certain decisions. I'm proud of because I just took a step back, breathe, had a little bit of patience, had a little bit of discipline to try to understand what's going on. So honestly, I'm happy about that. Um, I think I'm going to close these charts so that way I don't have any issues with FOMO. See, look at what the market is doing. The market is constantly higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. But I don't want to play because you don't know when it's going to make that last lower, lower, lower high and then spring up. And the reason why I'm thinking that is because I'm considering the overall sentiment for this move right here. I'm looking at the daily move, and I'm not expecting this to really go too far, especially knowing that this double green line is a good line. I mean, I've talked about it multiple times. So, playing, looking back, I wouldn't really call this a solid trend line, but I don't like it. I'm not getting anything that I would have liked to see. Um, see, that's a strong move up. It's a real strong move up. I might watch it, to be honest. Again, because I know that you can hear the hesitation because I want money. Don't we all, right? Um, if I'm here long enough and I see like a bull run take out one of these highs, I might go in for a push up because I'm thinking about the daily move for the past week, I should say. But today's day is a bearish day. And because I'm not going to be trading tomorrow, I know I'm going to be busy tomorrow. So I want to take advantage of today, knowing that I'm going to be off tomorrow. But I'm just going to just exercise discipline. And now that I recorded it, I got to stick to it now. Look, what I've been saying all day. This is what's been happening all day long. You hit a decent level and it'll push up and respect it. And I just really want a good run where it just pushes past all levels. See, push down again. But I'm just going to keep the daily in mind. Keep this in mind. I know I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I'll come back and I analyze the markets. So what I'll do is I'll do this. Probably not going to open the charts again for a cut for a day or two, or before I get a chance to get into the market. And we're good to go. Tomorrow, Thursday, yeah, we'll see. We will see, guys. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm not gonna belabor this video too much longer. Thought I would have had a much more exciting trade for you guys, but this candle here kind of ruined that for me. Now if it closes below this, I ain't gonna lie, I'm struggling with discipline right now. FOMO, not even discipline, FOMO. Because I want to capitalize on the move. But that's a scarcity mindset. So I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to allow myself to continue to develop the discipline and the restraint muscle and come back and revisit. So that's it. I wish it was a little bit more exciting today, but the most exciting thing is I didn't lose again. While the number is not really where we would like it to be, it's again the discipline and the patience behind the wins. Why the wins are important. It's the action. It's the implementation. That's the word. It's the implementation behind the wins. Why those wins are good for me. So the money will come, but the process, the implementation, the patience, the discipline, the restraint, I'll take it. But that's it. Appreciate you guys. Forex King out. I'm gonna close these charts so I don't deal with any more FOMO, and I'll come back and I'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't think I can get into the charts tomorrow, but if I can, we'll see. Other than that, appreciate you guys. Talk soon.